Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sir Jess once again. So ngayon, mag-direct to the point ako guys. Dahil meron akong dito i-unbox. So samahan nyo ako sa pag-unpack nito. So kanina lang to dumating and I am very excited to open it. Kasi gamitin ko to siya guys sa darating na laro ko sa badminton. So without so much ado, buksan ko na. So ito siya guys. So sa box pa lang, I know that you know kung anong laman nito. Okay, ayan. Ito siya guys. So nasa nasa kahon. So sisilipin ko kung ano yung color at saka tingnan natin kung meron talaga siyang yung hindi ka madudulas. Alright, so tingnan ko. Alright, so ito siya guys. So the color is green, which is my favorite color. Ayan. So ito siya guys. Alright. So I am also excited to wear this on our practice or during our practice in the cover gym. Ayan. O, diba guys? So, meron na akong susuotin sa aming darating na badminton tournament. Ayan. So, ito pa yung isa. Ayan. O, diba guys? So, size 43 yung aking, paa. Alright. So, ito siya guys. Ayan. Ayan, so excited na ako suotin to guys. Syempre with socks sa court. And I will also test kung nadudulas ba itong sapatos or hindi. And meron naman siyang spike. Ayan. So rough yung kanyang surface beneath. Ayan, so thank you guys sa pagsama sa aking vlog ngayong gabi. So, thank you so much and don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel. So, that's all guys and have a good night. God bless everyone. Bye-bye. See you on my next vlog.
Guys, kasang-kasya siya. Ayan. So, it fits my my feet. My 2 feet. Ayan. So, ganda niya guys. And then, meron siyang na hindi ka madudulas. Ayan. So, I am so excited na guys na ito siya sa aming court. Alright. But the most important thing, it fits me. Fits my 2 feet. Alright.